Now, as you get into larger scale projects, you might decide that a particular finishing technique is needed because of its intended purpose. This is a baby blanket that was woven, and with the size of the thread, I wanted to eliminate the opportunity for any fingers pulling or choking with fringe. And so in this piece, we actually zigzagged the edge with a commercial sewing machine to stabilize the warp threads, and then cut them very close to the trimming. And with a single crochet and the same material we wove with, created a very simple border to bind all 4 edges of the baby blanket, not only creating a visual border and break from the pattern, but structurally making it much better suited for its final intended use. This is another example. However, in this case, the colorful display that's used as the border is not only for practical use in its application, but it's visually very much a part of the design. You can see with the scallop crochet edges, it creates this nice bright framework, as well as some soft sort of organic edges that break away from the linear nature of a hand-woven fabric. Very, very simple application and a nice way to bridge 2 crafts together that you enjoy doing.